Reason Digital are a social enterprise and digital agency. We've been using digital to tackle some of the UK's biggest social problems. We've worked in the healthcare sector, education, we've worked with medical research, and we've helped tackle issues like the food poverty crisis. The Well are an organisation based in the north of the UK, and they provide transformative support for people who are in abstinence-based recovery. They provide these individuals with social contacts. They encourage peer-to-peer support.
Upwards of 1.9 million people in the UK suffer from drug and alcohol addiction. This accounts for 12,000 deaths in the UK in 2014 alone. We ran some workshops with staff and volunteers at the Well as some of their members, just to try and understand the problem from a user's perspective. A lot of the support that's currently provided is offline in nature and isn't available around the clock. So whatever solution we created had to be available both online and 24 hours a day. We created a WhatsApp group that allowed users to provide peer-to-peer support via WhatsApp, partly just to see whether users would actually use the tool, also to allow us to observe their behaviour.
It was fantastic, absolutely fantastic. It was just a great way to stay connected to people, but also to monitor people who may be struggling. You know, and sometimes for me, when I'm struggling, and this is my experience, I can become very isolated, and I find it difficult to ask for help. And it takes a lot of courage and a lot of strength to do that. So I found the WhatsApp group very easy, accessible to not only ask for help, but to just stay connected.
So if you're struggling, you know, you've got that app. So send that button, press that button and say, I'm struggling, and then that flag goes up and say, you know what, I'm struggling, and our community can rally around and support them people.
One of the key features is the ability to declare whether you are warrior down. Rather than have a binary option, which we explored early on, that was actually quite limited when our research showed that people's mood and state can change in like a fluid motion. The new tools enable you to choose from 4 options that gently kind of cascade down to the warrior down setting. And we're really hopeful, both ourselves and our partners, the Well, that this app can help prevent people from relapsing.